Okay, so I finally got it boot up now, and I just put a tempered glass screen protector on it. So while that's booting up, I'm gonna take a look at what else comes in the box real quick. So it's on the hello screen, but real quick, I have the flash on, so legit. So basically what you get inside the box, you get the USB Type-C to Lightning. Then you get some this little info right here. Product red. Now, in case you guys don't know what product red is, okay, and then this is your info, that's eSIM, and then you got your Apple sticker there, of course. So, okay, let's read this real quick though for a sec. In partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS program. You get the idea what it's saying. So this is actually a miracle phone right here. It's supporting the cause. So good thing I went with product red. And the fact that that looks beautiful though too. Okay, so that's pretty much all you get in the box really. I'll mess around with this here in a bit. Close this up. And of course I got the wall brick, because of course, like I said, you don't get like a charger in the box anymore. Watch me file these real quick. I was just installing a screen protector there. Yeah, you see it on the thing right there. But that's not the only case I got. I got this one. We're going to check this out too. But I also got this guy right here. This is pretty much the one I'm going to be using every day. And then, of course, on my table, you see I got a wireless charger and then a MagSafe charger. So we're going to definitely get into that. So I'm going to tear this open real quick. I'm trying to hold my phone in one hand and stuff like that. And then excuse the neighbor's dog is barking. So we're going to open this guy up. And this is what you get. It's just a regular charger, honestly. Plugs into the wall though. But I can't wait to get into that case though. But let's get back to the charger though. Yeah, this is pretty much it right here. This is just the Apple wall adapter, USB Type-C. So you're basically going to plug in your Type-C to this. Simple and straightforward. And of course you got this guy, but you already get the idea how it works. You just plug it into the lightning adapter or the lightning port and then connect your headphones basically. Okay. But without further ado, this is pretty much the unboxing so far. I'm going to set up everything, so I'll be right back in.